name is Matt Shumway, and I've been with Service Wire for over 10 years. Chose to work at Service Wire. I like the idea of working for a manufacturer. I take a lot of pride in knowing that the products I'm selling are 100% made here in the USA, really right on the other side of that wall in our manufacturing plant. Yeah, I choose to continue working at Service Wire. I really love the people, for one, the fun, friendly atmosphere. Developed really long-lasting personal relationships with a lot of my coworkers, which has been wonderful. Secondly, really our great customer base. I've really worked with and developed long-lasting, successful relationships with many of our great customers across the country for the past 10 years of my time here. I certainly recommend Service Wire to anybody who's seeking an environment that's going to help give you all the tools and develop you personally and professionally, and a management team that's going to be there to help support and develop your growth and really allow you to take your growth as far as you want to go. I enjoy working at Service Wire. Really, again, it's the people and it's the family atmosphere. It's a fun, high-paced environment, and we've got the best customers in the world, and I wouldn't trade it for anything.